Hey guys, I'm going to quickly go over some information for class that'll help you be successful for Term 2. My name is Letha Anderson. I'm a special education teacher. I teach life skills science, math, English, and social studies. My contact information is in the bottom left-hand corner of the slide. If you email me, I promise to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. If it's the weekend, it might be 24 to 48 business hours. But I will get back to you as soon as I can. I do have live office hours on Mondays from 2 to 2:30. Oftentimes what happens is when students are done with their 4th block class, if they need a little extra help, if they let me know, I'll jump on with them. It's usually about that time, not just Mondays, but any day. Make sure that you make an appointment with me either way, because sometimes my IEP meetings or other meetings conflict with that time. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see information for our Remind app. If you haven't done so already, I highly recommend that you go ahead and sign up for this. It is a great way for me to communicate to you things that are going on, changes that are made, things I need to get to you pretty quickly. We let you know through the Remind app. I'm going to quickly go over the Schoology layout for my courses. All the layouts for each course are exactly the same so that I don't confuse any students. You'll see in the corner right here is the title of the class. So this is a science example. However, the layout is the same for all other courses. The first thing is the banner, and that will tell you the times for the block and which class you're in. If there's something really important, like they've changed things to asynchronous days, that banner might change so that you have important information at the very top. The next item is the Zoom link. So you would just click on that image right there and it will take you straight to our Zoom class. Under that is our assignments. So everything you need to complete your daily assignments is located right there in that folder. So you're going to click into Zoom and also click into that assignments. The last folder at the bottom is a welcome folder. It's not a folder we use often, but it's a great resource folder. It has Zoom information, schedule hours, the contact information, office hours, course expectations are all located in that welcome folder. The first thing we're going to talk about is the Zoom class. So once you are in Schoology, you're going to click on this image and it will take you straight to the Zoom class. Most things in my class, if they're underlined or they're an image, they're hyperlinks, which means they will take you to wherever I need you to go. You just click on it and off you go. If you have any trouble getting into Zoom, it's really highly recommended that you just wait a few minutes, try again. Also, turning your computer completely off and turning it back on is always a great tool and typically always works for the problem. If you continue to have problems getting into Zoom, it could be a technology issue. Most likely, if you can't get into Zoom, I can't get you into Zoom, so you'll have to call 263-1111. Okay. One of the things to remember when you are signing into Zoom, before you get frustrated, if you see this web page, you're not going to sign in and enter your email or your password. That's something that's like automatic that we tend to always want to do, but rather we're going to sign in using SSO. Typically it's the very top option, but sometimes these choices, SSO, Google, and Facebook, are randomly put on your screen, but you're looking for the one that says SSO, and then it's going to ask you your company domain. The .zoom.us will always be already typed in the box, and the only thing that you're going to need to type in the box is the VB schools, and that will get you to Zoom. If you continue to still have problems after that, then I would highly recommend calling the technology help desk. The next thing we're going to talk about is the assignments folder. So everything you need for every single day is in the assignments folder. If you're not sure where to go, oh, is this the day we have class with Miss Wood? I'm really confused. Go to the assignments folder. Everything you need is there. Also, if you'll see on the right hand side, those are the assignments that are listed. So each one of those blue squares with the yellow going through it, that's an assignment. So you can see the due dates right there and when the assignments are due. So there's another easy way to get to assignments. So once you see this folder with the big old arrow, assignments here, click there, and you'll see this week at a glance. Now, again, everything on this slide is a hyperlink. So you'll see link to Zoom. You can click there. It's going to take you to the Zoom meeting. This actual page I'm showing you is not finished. Monday it'll say Monday schedule. You'll click there. It'll take you to Monday's schedule, daily check-in. It's a little blurry. I'm sorry about that. But these are all hyperlinks that you can access right here on this week at a glance. Now, we've been using folders, daily folders, and I don't want to mess anybody up. So I've kept the daily folders there. Those are still the same. You have Monday through Friday. You click on a daily folder. It will take you to your schedule, which is a document. So when you open a document, you're going to see on the left-hand side assignments right here and document. You're going to want to click on my document, and then when we're finished with any document, I'll let you know when we're finished. You're going to hit submit assignment. Okay, this is what our daily schedule looks like. So when I refer to everything like go to your daily schedule, go to your daily schedule, at the very top of the daily schedule, there's some more stuff right here on our daily schedule, but I wanted you to be able to see a big picture of this. You're going to click on the Zoom if you need to access our Zoom. When we all jump into our meetings, while we're all waiting, we all do a daily check-in. Depending on the course that you have, that's all you'll have to do right now for science. In math, we do a daily check-in, we graph weather, and then we also do data entry. And then we kind of wait, and then we all do the rest of the lessons together. In English this term, we're going to do daily check-in, and then we'll do speed typing, and then we'll regroup, and then we'll all do our lessons together. The science group, if you click there where it says science group for science class, it will take you straight to the lesson. We're going to do that as a group, and these Cami, the blue Cami is also a hyperlink. The next slide, if you see on the left-hand side, we leave our slides in edit mode because we interact with everything within the document like this. So when you go to the left-hand side, you'll see there's multiple pages within the schedule. Everything you need primarily is on that very first page. Second page is all the Cami assignments, what page numbers we're doing, so if you're absent, you can access everything. Where it says Cami 6, and that's a hyperlink, so when you see pictures, it'll tell you, click here, there's a hyperlink. When we're done with an assignment, if you click on that purple button, I need to see the assignment again. If we went too fast, if you missed class, whatever, that button will take you to a copy of the assignment so that you can see it. If you click the red button, click here, that will take you for additional help in assignments. We also have, if you're an early finisher with your assignments and you're looking for more work, you'll find additional assignments in there to do. Okay. If you can't open your document, the most important thing is to click over there on the right-hand side where it says I can't see my document. Click here, and then connect down at the bottom. You need to reconnect to your Google Drive. Your picture and your email will come up. Just follow those steps. It's 2 or 3 more steps to get you to your document. The final thing, which we don't use, but it's a really important folder very often, is this welcome folder. Again, it has all this information in there, so if you need to reference it, you can. We have my contact information, the weekly schedule, information about the Zoom link, course expectations, the dates for term 2, and this really helpful parent resource. Here's our weekly schedule. The most important thing is that we are changing our class lunch and advisory time, so please take note of that. Remember, Mondays is an asynchronous day. We do not do a Zoom class on Mondays. And Tuesday through Friday, this is our schedule. Depending on your third block teacher, if you do not have me or Miss Wood, your class lunch and advisory will be different. On Thursdays, we do have a little bit of an adjustment. Everybody goes into Miss Wood's class. But that's again in our daily folders and the links there. And third block, everybody comes to my class. We usually do a cooking class for Miss Wood and a game group for my class. These are our term dates that will start February 2nd and get us all the way through June 18th. You're able to see when grades are due and when your report cards will be issued. These are our course expectations. If you click on the link that says here within the welcome folder, it will take you to our course expectations. The third page has a hyperlink for you to be able to fill out a form for the school to say you read the course expectations. That link currently isn't working at the moment, but as soon as I get an updated link, I will add it. We've spent a lot of time making parent resources, videos, visuals, so please take the time to check here for some very important information. The only other two things in Schoology I wanted to show you is this Groups tab. It's really important for you to check there. There is a folder within that Groups tab that is specific to your grade level that will have specific information. I don't have access to it, so you're on your own to check that with your parents. The envelope there is how you check your Schoology email, and that's how we communicate with you during the day. Okay, if you're running late, I'm going to do much better about this. I'm going to stick to the school time, so we're going to be starting first block at 7:20. We're starting second block at 8:50, third block at 10:15. So if you're running late for some reason, you have your own schedule right there. Go ahead and do it when you can. Just jump into wherever we are, and then when we're finished, you can go back and do your daily check-in and whatever it is you missed at that point. I know we were doing some flexible things in the morning, but that's gotten really confusing for some people, and now different people are coming on at different times, and it's kind of making people have to wait. So we're just going to go back to sticking to 7:20, and if you're still eating, that's pretty okay. Just push your Chromebook off to the side and jump on when you can. Everything you need is in your daily schedule. Just jump in wherever we are and you can catch up later. This is one more important thing I wanted to show you. If you go into your Chrome, and you're into the internet, you should see something that says Student Bookmarks. When you click there, there is a lot of quick tricks. You can get to Schoology, you can get to Google Drive, ClassLink, and your Gmail. And sometimes you need to check your Gmail because important emails go there. That is a really good, helpful tool to know about. If you don't have that, in the help section, in the parent resource section, there is probably a video that shows you how to add this, and if there isn't, I'm going to add one. Alright, well, I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you, and I look forward to seeing you in class. We're going to have a great term, and I'm excited about all the things we're going to be learning about.